All right, let's take a quick journey back in time. It's 1972. Bell Laboratories looks like ground zero for genius, and Dennis Ritchie is about to change the world of programming forever. He creates C. Yeah, just the letter C. But this little language packs a big punch. First, C was designed for one job, building the UNIX operating system. But here's the twist. C is so good at balancing low-level power and high-level simplicity that it basically escapes its own laboratory. Suddenly, developers everywhere want in. Why? Well, C gives you serious control over your computer's memory while still being readable enough that you don't need a PhD in rocket science to use it. Let's talk style. C is a mid-level language. That means it can do the heavy lifting, like assembly languages, but also lets you write code that's clean and structured, almost like English if you squint. Because of that sweet spot, C quickly becomes the go-to language for all sorts of things: operating systems, databases, compilers, even games. I mean, if you've ever used Windows, macOS, or Linux, you've touched software written in C. Fast forward to today, over 50 years later, and C is still one of the top 3 most widely used programming languages. Not bad for something created before the first Star Wars movie, right? But why does C stick around? It's fast, it's flexible, and, let's be real, learning C is like unlocking the secret level of programming. Once you get C, every other modern language makes way more sense. So whether you want to build something from scratch, understand how computers really work, or just flex those coding muscles, C is a classic that never goes out of style. That's a quick intro to the legendary C programming language. If you want to see how C code looks, or how to write your first program, hit that subscribe button and stick around. Catch you in the next one.